Molly and I am in Bell Pepper Lane, and we are going to do a little harvesting of some bell peppers, and hopefully we will have some good ones. As you can see, I have my harvesting basket and I have my little clippers. We are ready to go and get some bell peppers off of Bell Pepper Lane. So let's start looking and see if we can find any good bell peppers. Let me pick up my basket and let's see what we got going on here. I see this one. It looks like something's been chewing on this one, so we'll just lay that up there. Maybe I'll give them a little treat and the little critters, and they'll leave my other bell peppers alone. And as you can see, the plants look really good. Ooh, this is a good banana pepper. Let's see. Look. Ooh. Look at the size of this banana pepper. So we are definitely, look at that. We're definitely going to take this one. Let's see if I can just pull that off of there. Might need my snippers because this one is tight. So let's get it. And get it off of there. Here we go. That's our first harvest of a banana pepper. Look at the size of that one. That's really good. Let's put it in our harvest basket and let's continue our journey. Let's see what else we can find. Now those are getting big, but they're not quite there yet. These are my sweet peppers. And as you can see, look how many sweet peppers are on there. They are loaded. See what I'm seeing? They are just loaded, 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 but they're not ready yet. These bugs are everywhere. See that one? There's a whole bunch on here. Whole bunch of them, but they are not quite ready. Let me see if I can get on this side. See all that cluster? They'll be ready soon. All right, let's go to the, ooh, this one has a lot of them on there too. Look at that. Look at the size of those. Nice. They'll be ready soon. All right, let's go on the other side of Bell Pepper Lane and see what we have ready over here. My squash plant is doing pretty good. My okra is looking good. Let's check out the okra and see if I have any okra. Nope, no okra yet. Bell peppers. Ooh, look at this bell pepper right here. This one is called Big Bertha. Look at the size of this bell pepper. Holy moly, look at that. This is going to be a good one. Let's definitely take this bell pepper off. Cut that one. Ooh, yeah. Look at the size of this bell pepper. Look at it, it's in the side of my hand. Look. This is a nice size one. Let's put that in our harvest basket and see what else we can find. Let's see. Those have a lot, but they're not quite ready. Let's look. Ooh, there's some good ones down here. Now this one is a nice size one too. Yes, we're going to take that one as well. Let's take it. Let me get on this side. It's hard when you're trying to harvest and shoot it too. Cut that one off. That one looks like it has a little hole in it, but you know what? We're going to cut it, and if there's something in there, oh well. We'll just take care of him. And these are really good, but these are still, they're still growing. Look, still growing. But we have some nice ones right over here. Let's see. Check this one out. Let me see if I can move. Look at this one. This one is almost the size of when you go into the grocery store. Let's see if I can get that one. Look at that. Cannot tell me that is not a good one right here. Look at that. Nice and green and shiny and looks beautiful. We'll just add that into our little basket as well. There's more down there, but these are the ones that are supposed to turn red. So I'm gonna let that one stay on there and see if it turns red. And these are some more of my sweet peppers. They're doing really good. Look, there's full of them. These ones have lots of flowers. Let's check our okra plant while we're over here. Ooh, we got another okra. Let's get that bad boy. Let me see if I can switch hands. And hopefully my finger don't get in the lens. And let's take this okra off. This okra is like right here. You see it? See if I can just pull it off. You see it? Now I could be able to cut it off. Cut, cut, cut. Here we go. You're right about once these okras start producing, they are ready. Look at this one. Another good okra. I think if I would have waited a few more days, and this okra would have been way too big. But our little harvesting basket is looking good. Let me show you my watermelon. Look. Look at my watermelon. And this one was the ice box watermelon. Check that out. It is getting good and it's big. And I have another baby one right here. You see that one? It's starting to get there. And I think I have one right here. Look. Yeah. So, watermelon is doing really well. Let's see if we have any squash. Let's go around the corner and see what we can see. We have some squash here. Woo! Frogs. I hate frogs. Ugh. They have some, but see that squash right there? It's still kind of small. And then we got one over here. Still kind of small. I'll wait till it get a little bit bigger. But let's look at the honeydew melons. Let's check them out. Honeydew melons are doing good. I don't see any melons on them yet, but they are vining and getting really big. Then I have another one over here that's starting to get really big, and the leaves look really good. So we are getting there. So that is going to be, oh, I have a squash over here. See how big this one is. Yep, they're getting there, but they're not big enough. And I got a cabbage right here that's starting to form a little something, so that is really good. And I got a couple of those cabbages starting to get bigger. And then I have another watermelon right there. So let's go on up onto the deck and let's pull some tomatoes, because you know Miss Renee always got some tomatoes. Let me check this one bell pepper. Let me see. That one's not ready yet, but it's getting there. Woo! Where'd this crazy frog go? Hope he jumped somewhere where I can't see him. 'Cause me and frogs and lizards are just not my thing. Alright, let's see if we have any tomatoes. Let's see, let's see, let's see. And I think we do. Let's go over here. And let's get some of these tomatoes. I've got a few of these favorite tomatoes, and I got some sweet 100s. I'm gonna pick those. Put this one over here. This one in our basket. Alright, let's put the basket down here. so we can see. I don't know if this one's ready. I think it is. Got this one, looks good. Put it in our basket. And we got one Sweet 100 back here, which is a good one. Put that in there. And I think that one is not ready yet. But let's check out and see what our harvest consists of today. Let's put it on this table over here. And let's see what we were able to get today. Alright, so we were able to get 3 nice size bell peppers, which are amazing. We're able to get 1 okra, 1 banana pepper, and then a few tomatoes. So I think overall we had a fabulous little harvest for today. But I'm telling you, this is my mission. I want to grow bell peppers this size because I want to get like 5 of those gallon bags full of bell peppers. So I'm off to a good start. I'm hoping you guys are having a fabulous harvest in your gardens, and I can't wait to see your videos. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share, give me a comment down in the box below. And with that being said, I want to welcome all my new subscribers. I am so blessed and I'm so happy to have you. All right, have a wonderful day, you guys. Have a blessed day, and I will see you in the next video. All right, guys, check out my harvest. Beautiful. It's the beginning of my bell peppers, and I can't wait to see at the end of the growing season how many bags of cut up bell peppers I can get. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye. Just want to pop back in here and forgot to tell you one important thing. If you guys have never ever tried the Big Bertha bell pepper, which is, first, take a look at my harvest. I'm still so stoked about that. All right, getting back to Big Bertha. This is Big Bertha right here. And the reason why I'm bringing this up is because look how big Big Bertha is in my hand. This bell pepper grows huge. So for me on my journey to try and fill up one of these bags, because this is the bags I'm talking about. Look how big this bag is. The bag is all the way from the top all the way to the bottom. And I get these bags at the Dollar Tree. So my mission is to have 4 or 5 of these big bags filled up with bell peppers. So all through the winter and back into spring, I should be just emptying or using up my last few of my bell peppers, and then I'm going to start this process. But if I get lucky this year, I will be able to have a lot of those bags still in my freezer, and I can just add on new ones. That's my goal. So we got to remember, Miss Renee wants to get 5 of those big, giant, gallon-sized bags from the Dollar Tree filled with my bell peppers. So let me see if I can make that happen, because if Big Bertha keep producing these big old whopper bell peppers, I don't think I'm going to have a problem at all. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wash these up, chop them up, and get my first bell peppers into my big old giant plastic freezer bags. Alright guys, I just wanted to let you know that if you have never grown a Big Bertha bell pepper, this is the time to grow them. And this is like 2 bell peppers in one. That's why I love growing these, because I can get a bigger, faster yield of my bell peppers if my Big Berthas kick in. All right, Bertha, kick in. Do what you do, baby. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. All right, take care. Bye-bye.